We move on to speaking part 2. Describe a time when you felt proud of a family member. Please start.
It happened many times when I felt proud of my family members, whether they are my cousins, my siblings, or my parents, or my other family members. But I want to talk about my brother. It was an incident from last year when about 2 to 3 months ago, before his exams, he got into an accident and broke his leg. What happened that he can't walk for about he couldn't walk for about 2 months. So we wanted him now to participate in his exams so that he will be able to get better medication facilities. But what happened that he insisted that he will not miss his whole year of education just because of an accident. He worked hard for his exams and he participated in it. What happened that when the result came, everybody actually very discouraged him that you cannot do it. But what happened when the result came, it was quite surprising for everyone that he got 90% marks in his.
Okay, thank you very much. Overall, it is good. Try to focus fluency. And then, like you said, he insisted that he will. Whenever you use past tense, will changes into would. He insisted that he would appear in the exam and all that. Okay,
yes.
So this is what you need to take care of, and then practice these topics. Try to be more fluent. Use connecting words because they will improve your bench score. Now we have speaking part 3.
Yes.
When do parents feel proud of their children?
There are many times when parents feel proud of their children, such as when they walk for the first time and when they talk for the first time, and moreover when they get some achievement in their education career or they get promotion in their job. So it always motivates the children and it make parents proud of themselves.
Okay, children, not children's. Okay,
children.
Thank you. Overall, it's good, but practice. You need a lot of practice.
Yes.
Then you will be fine. Your English is good, but these topics are unfamiliar, so you need to be familiar with these topics.
Okay,
right?
sir.
Thank you.